What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Santander Bank's online banking account. And with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's jump into the video without any further ado now, shall we? So the first step, you want to go to Santander Bank online banking login and click on versus online banking Santander UK. Now once you click on it, it will take you to this page. Over here, click on versus log on. Now once you do that, it's going to take you to its login page. Over here, if you have a personal account, choose personal. If you have business or corporate, choose that. And over here, enter your personal ID and then enter your security number over here. Click on log on and you should be able to log in into your Santander Bank's online banking account. And if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.